Hello everybody and welcome. Today I'm heading up to the Asheville Supercharger. It's about 55 miles north of me here. I'm going to meet Brian Riebe of Brian Riebe Drives Electric. He's on a trip from Minnesota to Florida and it's going by, and I thought I'd stop by and say hi. So let's go. Never-ending construction here on Interstate 26. This goes on forever and ever. Lane shifts, no problem on autopilot. Here comes another weird lane shift. Autopilot loves it. Whines at me because I'm not paying attention to it. Hold my hand on it. But it doesn't care. It just stays right in the lane you're supposed to be in. This interstate, they got us going on all over the place as they work on one side or the other. Here's another lane shift coming up. Getting out of the construction part here on Interstate 26. It's on and off here, but it's not real bad construction. Getting close to our exit. Another few miles. Just turning into the Asheville Mall, and we are turning left here. It's where the Supercharger is over here. They got going over there. I haven't been there in a while. Looks like there's a bunch of cars there. I don't know if that's mall employees or what. Supercharger's here, and they've converted them all to version 3 now, so I don't know. Looks like there's plenty of them here. I'll park down on the end. I get a charge here while I'm waiting for Brian. Like I said, it's all version 3, so it's good. They added 4 additional stalls here, and it still has the large charge cords, I think, unless they've now been replaced on the other ones there. All right, well, let's get hooked up here. Let's see what our arrival is. Looks like we arrived with 34%, so we'll top it up here. Kind of a high state of charge, but 107 or 8. Probably get a little higher here. Yeah. I would make a suggestion, however, to the Tesla folks is that little 12-point type there could be at least as big as the time remaining on the car, or even larger. I think it would be handy if it was more that size font there where it says charging. While it's not really necessary to watch it, it's kind of nice to actually be able to see it. All right, I'm here topped up. I'm just sitting here waiting for Brian.
Systems are now go for launch, so let's listen into the terminal count and watch as Falcon 9 takes our 46 Starlink satellites to space.
30 seconds.
Sitting here waiting for Brian and watching the SpaceX Starlink launch here on YouTube in my car.
T-minus 15. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engines full power. Lift off. Starlink 4-8.
A little heavy.
Vehicle switching down range.
How cool is that? You can sit in your car and watch television. Yep, Brian has made it all the way from Minnesota here in the blue Model Y. It's dirty, it still has a little salt on it, but by the time he gets to Florida, it'll be clean. He brought his daughter Joan, of course, and we're heading over to get something to eat. Guys, this is Brian. He's on his way to Florida, and we've been hanging out here in the Asheville Supercharger today. So, you're going to have a good trip, I know?
Fantastic.
Good. No problems so far?
Nothing so far. Beautiful views through the mountains, and just enjoying the scenery and the warmth.
Excellent. Well, you guys will have a great trip, I know.
Thank you.
All right, thanks for stopping by.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks for the lunch.
I just left lunch with Brian Riebe and his daughter. They met me at the Asheville Supercharger. While he was charging, we went over and had a Scottish lunch. It was good. We chatted for a while, and now we're mobile. He's headed towards Charlotte via Highway 74, but there's some big conundrum here, as you can see, on Interstate 26. So I know this area pretty well. We're taking the back roads around the congestion, and that'll get us at least, instead of waiting on the interstate for 20 minutes. Brian's still following me here. He's going to take Highway 74, which is down here at the bottom of the Saluda grade here. All this wasted energy with all these fossil fuels and putting on the brakes. I'm just regenerating that green line right there. Get my energy back. Let's have a look for Brian here and see if we can see him. Get my fat hand out of the way. Not real well. There he is. There's Brian Riebe behind me. I made it back home. It was a good trip. Ran into a pile of traffic coming down, but it was okay. It was 41 miles up to the Supercharger and 41 miles back shown here. So we just double all these numbers, and that's what we used to go there. 41 miles made it 82 miles round trip. Used 18 kilowatt hours of energy and averaged 223 watt hours per mile. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, and if you would, please subscribe. It helps my channel grow. And don't forget to pass my video links on to your friends. I'm pretty sure they would like the content as well. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.